They will get it done in 100 days.
What is Donald Trump hinting at for XRP and Link holders? There's so much going on in the last 24 hours with some major announcements that have been made about XRP and Link. Also, ONDO Finance seems to be prepping for a major rally in January 2025 for a few key reasons. Plus, if you're into trading meme coins, you might want to shift your attention from Solana to Injective for the latest narrative shift. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, not financial advice, and wish the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Alright you guys, we have bounced back this morning. So far, Bitcoin is holding up well. The rest of the market seems to be pretty green, but not before scaring us again last night. If you remember, I said we're probably going to hold this blue area, but we're going to come back down, and it's going to be very uncomfortable for people who bought around here to be holding. If you go down to the hourly chart, you can see this was the night before. This is when we sold off, and then we sold off again early last night as well. So it was very uncomfortable, but we still did make that higher low. So we are heading up now towards around 98,500 at the time of writing. So hopefully this continues higher by the time New York Open comes. But Bitcoin looking good so far. Altcoins looking all right as well. Then Lark Davis wrote, in the past week, the U.S. Treasury referred to Bitcoin as digital gold. Russian President Putin said no one can ban Bitcoin. Russian State Duma deputy proposed creating a strategic Bitcoin reserve in Russia. Amazon shareholders called on its board to consider investing in Bitcoin. Microsoft is having a vote today to put Bitcoin on their balance sheet, and we're in a Bitcoin arms race. Countries and companies will continue to accumulate as much Bitcoin as they can. Whoever buys the most Bitcoin wins. And then Eric Trump also said this is the real reason why BlackRock is buying Bitcoin.
With Bitcoin, Bitcoin's supply is capped. That scarcity, that hard limit, it makes it incredibly valuable, especially as these assets are being purchased in the billions. That's why you see the price skyrocket the way it is. But unlike real estate, Bitcoin's not tied to geography. It's global. It's instantly liquid. Try selling this convention center to a REIT right now. I'll see you in 2 years. Try going out and selling a big office building. It will take you 18 months to do. At the end of it, you're going to want to shoot yourself in frustration. Think about the complement to hard assets that Bitcoin is.
And then moving on, we have ONDO Finance hit a new all-time high. What's behind this explosive rally? And this is posted on Binance Square. So Coinpedia wrote, ONDO Finance surged over 11% today, reaching a new all-time high of $1.79. The token's daily trading volume hit a yearly high of 994 million, signaling increased trade interest and liquidity. Now, big money is moving into ONDO. One of the key reasons for ONDO's rise is significant institutional interest. Crypto influencer Gray Bitcoin recently pointed out that Upbit, a major crypto exchange, has been steadily accumulating ONDO for the past 5 months, and Upbit now holds more ONDO than early investors like Pantera Capital and Coinbase Ventures. This large-scale accumulation signals strong confidence in the token's potential and has sparked what Gray Bitcoin calls a clear race to acquire ONDO. Adding to the hype, the influencer predicted that ONDO could hit $15 by 2025, further boosting investor confidence. If it could hit $15, that would be pretty amazing. It's currently $1.79-ish right now, so that's about a little less than a 10x from here. I think we could definitely hit $5 to $10 on ONDO. It's looking great. It came back down here to this blue order box and bounced back up. And we talked about this yesterday, that ONDO is a great buy anywhere around here when it was between $1.50 and like $1.45. Anywhere in here yesterday, if you were to buy this, it was a great buy. And I think we're going to continue upwards. And then also on Reddit, in the official ONDO subreddit, this guy wrote, ONDO token unlock compared to Sol token unlock. So coming this January 2025, ONDO is starting its token unlocks. And so they wrote, ONDO token unlock overview. ONDO token unlocks begin on January 18th, 2025 and are distributing linearly over 3 years until 2028. This means a small portion is unlocked monthly, minimizing the impact on price. As for the treasury allocation, the majority of ONDO's total supply, or 82%, is allocated to its treasury, providing significant funding to support project development and growth. Now, if we compare this to Sol's tokenomics, which exploded in the last cycle, for their unlock history, Sol experienced a significant unlock in January 2021, with the majority of tokens released at once. Despite this, Sol skyrocketed from $3 in January 2021 to $280. Definitely wasn't $280. It was like $259 by November 21st. Close enough. As for the treasury support, the majority of the unlock was allocated to Solana's treasury, which helped fund the ecosystem development. This ensured price stability and long-term growth, a parallel that aligns with ONDO's tokenomic strategy. So why ONDO won't dump at the upcoming January 2025 unlock? With a gradual unlock schedule and the majority of tokens allocated to the treasury for building and expansion, ONDO is positioned for sustainable growth, much like Sol. The carefully managed unlock process reduces the risk of market dump. So ONDO, it will potentially pump in January instead of dump like most token unlocks usually do. And now for more news you can use. It seems that Ripple and XRP haven't left the spotlight. They're back with a bang. Ripple's RL USD stablecoin finally found approval from the NYDFS. That's the New York Department of Financial Services, and this is a big deal. It reinforces Ripple's strategic expansion into the stablecoin market. RLUSD positions Ripple as a direct competitor to industry leaders like Tether and Circle. It also brings up an interesting question. Will the US government pick XRP or Chainlink as their preferred option? Chainlink is also trending massively right now, and it's easy to see why. The buzz started with its new partnership with Coinbase's Project Diamond, which has ties with big names like BlackRock. This partnership is all about creating and managing tokenized assets, putting Chainlink right in the middle of mainstream finance. And it's not stopping there. Chainlink is also working with Swift, EU-compliant blockchains, and World Liberty Financial, a DeFi project tied to Donald Trump. Even Chainlink CEO Sergey Nazarov thinks this administration could be great for crypto. And right now, Chainlink is still 57% below its all-time high, so some see it as a solid pick at a discount. And Solana is also one of the top trending coins in crypto right now, and that's all due to the TGE of Magic Eden. The whole X timeline is full of people showing off their allocations of Magic Eden. Some had 5-figure airdrops in their wallets, which is another reason why you should also follow our alpha group. Even this small allocation of 182 ME is worth $1,000 at the moment. Altcoin Buzz Alpha can always get you a lead here. Check it out with the link down below. Magic Eden launched at a $17 price. Now it seems to be in a more stable place at $5 to $6. This is a pretty good entry point, and Magic Eden might go up again after the sell-off. Peak is another altcoin trending, and for good reason. It just hit a new all-time high on December 10th and has grown over 55% in the last 7 days, despite the overall market being down. One reason behind this is more DePIN projects are rushing to Peak. There's increased activity, and Peak is the fastest growing DePIN ecosystem with over $1 billion worth of devices on its network and more than 3 million machines, robots, and vehicles connected. And over 50 DePIN projects are actively building on Peak. The second reason being Peak's recent listing on KuCoin added fuel to the excitement. Partnerships with big names like Bosch, Deutsche Telekom, and MasterCard are also boosting confidence in Peak's long-term potential. And Mantra is our final coin trending today. It's been on the rise, up 105% in the last month, even amid the recent altcoin declines. Mantra is showing impressive price stability, and the excitement around it is growing. The boost in momentum is driven by a series of community updates and activities that have lifted morale within the ecosystem. Recently, Mantra got listed on BitGet, expanding its reach, and it also announced an integration with the Graph protocol, allowing developers to leverage substream-powered subgraphs for better indexing and querying. Mantra is also preparing for a new governance proposal, so keep an eye on their X for that update. And with all these developments, Mantra is definitely one to watch. Recently, we saw that Sui will soon be available on the Phantom wallet. This is a leading wallet on Solana, and another leading Solana wallet followed suit, and that's Backpack. So in addition to Phantom, Sui will also be available on Backpack. But Backpack offers even more. Besides just being a wallet, it also offers an exchange. You can trade and manage crypto assets, including Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. It's designed to offer max security for your tokens as well. Backpack started out as a Solana wallet, however now it offers various other networks, like Ethereum, Arbitrum, Base, Polygon, Optimism, Eclipse, and Sonic. The Backpack team also launched the Mad Labs NFT collection, which is one of the blue chip NFTs on Solana. Now being added to Backpack is great news for Sui. It opens doors to onboard the Solana community, and they get access to Sui's ecosystem, such as DeFi projects, NFT collections, and Sui's Memecoins. We also see more interaction between Sui and Solana by top Solana projects. As I mentioned earlier, Phantom has added Sui, and Phantom has 7 million monthly active users. So Len joined Sui and launched their popular Sui Len protocol on Sui. It raised $6 million recently and will have its TGE or token generation event tomorrow. And that's not all, there's more in the pipeline. Expect more Solana apps finding their way onto Sui, and this is a great alliance at the start of the bull run, and as a result, we should see Sui's user base growing with native users. But keep in mind that the Sui integration will not be immediate. It will be added soon though, and once the Sui integration is live, both Sui and Backpack will give further instructions on how you can interact. And with the recent buzz around the Hyperliquid exchange and the Hyperliquid token airdrop, it's a good time to look at other similar plays. Bluefin is a similar DEX on the Sui blockchain, and it uses an order book for its trades. That means that it looks and feels like a centralized exchange, but has all the other great features of a decentralized exchange. For example, there's no need to KYC. Bluefin is also available on the new mobile Sui wallet app, and it's one of the leading DeFi platforms on Sui. It offers fast transactions with low trading fees, and Bluefin is also having their token airdrop today, December 11th. And judging by how the hype token went after its airdrop, this could be a big one as well. And then moving on to Injective Memecoins. So Injective has had Memecoins starting to surge in the past 24 hours. Previously, it's been Solana, it's been Tron, it's been Base, it's been some of these other ecosystems. And now it looks like Memecoins on Injective are starting to take off. So the top gainers in the Injective ecosystem over the last 24 hours, one of them was Shroom or Trippy INJ. Another one was Injective Quants. This one's actually been around for a while. It's been around for, I think, around 9 months now. Then we have Kira the Injective Cat. Then we have, what is it? Smelly Injective. And then we have Talus, which is actually a protocol, which is, their NFTs, I believe. And then we have Injective Finance. We have Zycoin, Poor INJ, Black Panther, which is an actual protocol, and a dog with Katana. So a lot of meme coins are popping off on Injective right now. It might be the new ecosystem play. And then we have MD Crypto, who wrote, "How can you not be bullish on Quant? This isn't just the first meme coin on Injective. Quant is all about the community. Everything is done, is doing, and will do is for the community. That alone is reason enough to dive in head first. But there's way more. The potential is massive. After 9 months of accumulation, we've smashed past 2 cents with over $550,000 in 24-hour volume. The social hype is rising, plus there are rumors of a Binance listing. And then there's Benny, the official mascot of Injective, a character with big ambitions and impeccable vibe. Benny's also the first AI agent, Benny the Quant, bringing unique innovation to the table. And also there's Solana wormhole integration with NFT collections, giveaways, and a lot more. So Quant is one of the more popular ones right now on Injective, along with all the other ones. But Quant is the one that I've seen the most about. It's currently at a $7.3 million market cap. And apparently they're doing buybacks and airdrops as well. So Quant doing big things, but we're going to start looking at more meme coins on Injective in the coming weeks as well. Some of these like Trippy, Injective Quants, Kira, and Dog with Katana. Some of these, as long as they hold up and they're not just rug pulls, we're going to be covering some of these as well. By now, you've seen that Bitcoin is fluctuating just under or just over $100,000, and new coins are launching every day. People are feeling upbeat, and one way that you can trade new coins is with CoinEx. They're one of the best exchanges you haven't heard of. CoinEx has an extensive launch pool program and a great campaign going on right now. It's their 6th launch pool event. From now through December 16th, if you deposit and mine at least $100 in native set token, you can share in the prize pool of 13 million Hold. Hold is a crypto asset management simulator game on Telegram. CoinEx's set token is also proving itself to be a nice investment on its own. It's up 200% in the last 12 months, so you're locking up good value to earn even more in a new token. So take advantage of CoinEx's launch pool events to get the quality set token, then lock it up to get even more rewards. Start today by setting up your account on CoinEx and earn some extra set token while you do. Check it out with the link down below. And then lastly, we have DWF Labs to launch $20 million AI agent development fund. So DWF Labs is launching their $20 million fund to support the development of AI agents. This investment mirrors a similar DWF fund for meme coins, another growing industry. And so this new fund will support independent developers in their efforts to make AI agents. AI agents are a growing sector of the Web3 industry, and DWF Labs is encouraging them based on their potential to drive innovation, create meaningful impact across industries such as finance, logistics, entertainment, and governance. We've actually talked a lot about AI agents recently, and Andreessen Horowitz, or A16Z, predicted that AI agents are one of the most promising areas of future Web3 technological development last week. Although the sector is relatively small, it's growing remarkably. Several AI agent tokens have surged, and Virtual's protocol, which is a decentralized AI agent launch protocol, has grown dramatically last month. This is what we covered in our recent video, which I'll have it linked down below. And so DWF Labs, which is a big market maker in crypto, is now launching their $20 million fund for not only meme coins, but also for AI agents now. So another big sector growing that we covered a little while ago. So back to Bitcoin, we're looking pretty good, holding strong above. As long as we can hold above this line here, we can start to make higher lows here. If we go like this, and then like this, we're looking good back up to $100,000. I think we'll head there probably later towards this week. Like I was saying, early in the week, we'll have a dip. And then by the end of the week, hopefully we'll pump back to $100,000. So if you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe because a lot of fun things are coming. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.